Hi, welcome back again. In this session, we focus on to understand the merge queries in Power Query Editor. So based on this, I just imported two data set here. One file in which there are two sheets in Excel, customer and order. And another one is called the same university data as usual we are doing for the practice and understanding the options on it. So to do before, I just introduced this base and important thing. Whatever we discuss and whatever we discuss in future, all the things are available on my YouTube channel. Come to the YouTube, search me by the name of Fahad Hussain CS. This is my channel playlist in which there are 1,000+ videos are there. With these you can watch, and the material they are used in the video session available on my blog Fahad Hussain CS blogspot.com. Freely you can download it. So if you didn't subscribe the channel, what are you waiting for? To subscribe the channel to get familiar about that what is going on in the technology world. Okay, so first I just show you the data. Okay, this is the two data I'm just show you. We are using here for the merge queries. This is the original one, by the way. This is the base thing, the customer. Okay, I'm just zoom it. This is a customer data in which the customer ID, customer name and country. The another one is the order. So in the order, you can see that the customer ID is going to pass here. The customer ID is going to pass here from the customer. So I can say that this ID is going to pass in the order one, and there is a relationship between these two tables. That's called a base relationship. Okay. So after that, I just go to the transform data option, and this Power Query option will be open from this. Okay. And here you can see that all the tables are there. So the first one is the customer, the base table, and the order, the another table. Okay, just ignore the rest of the things which we use in the previous session, by the way. So if I just make it proper, so here you can see the table is proper. What about the order? Order is also proper. Okay, so when you click on the merge query, so it will show this option in which whatever the table you have selected, it will show on a base one. Okay, otherwise you need to change it. So I'm just click on the customer and click on the first option, merge queries, and from the second table where I need to create a relation, so I need to click on the order one. So the customer will going to make a relation with the order, and which column is going to use as a base for the relation, customer ID from the customer and customer ID from the order. And you can see that when the relationship are right, it will show the check sign here. Remember that. Now the base, another thing is very important, how many type of the joins are there, joins. Okay, left, right, outer, inner, left anti, right anti. Okay, I will show you one image, and after that come here to understand how this option work. Right, so there are 6 number of the joins that support Power BI. The first one is a left outer join. Okay, that's a name, left outer join. What does it mean? Which means that if there is two table and we are going to apply a joins on the Power BI, so all the values that are matched, both of them, this is the area match part. Okay, I'm just going to zoom it, match part. Not only the match part, also the unmatched part from the left part, which means complete table of the left including the match one will be the result of this one. For example, this is a customer table. Okay, and this one is the order table. Okay, which I'm going to use. So if it's going to left outer join, all the values of the customer will be there including the match one. But remember that from the outer values from the right hand side, the order table, if the values are not matching, it will not be the part of my original result of left outer. Okay, that's cool. Now the next one is the right outer, same definition but in a reverse order, which means that the matching part which are matched in a both table, but rest of the parts from the right part as well, which means that order, if I just write a order table here, okay, all values of the order including the match part but not from the customer. Okay, that will be the result of the right outer part. What about the full one? The full one, by the name it suggests you all the data from the both table including the matching and unmatching as well. And you can see that all the rows from the both matching and not matching the table. Okay. The fourth one, inner, as the name suggests here, inner, which means that only the match part, not from the not matching part from the left, not matching part from the right. Okay, only the matching part will be written. Left anti-join, what does it mean? The left outer join and the left anti-join, the difference is that left part complete table, just ignoring the matching one and the right one. Okay, which means that none of the values has come from the right part, either is a matching or not matching. Only the left table will be the result. Okay, not this one, not matching one. And the last one is a right anti, which means that right table only, not a matching, not a left one. That will be the result. So there are 6 number of the joins in Power BI: left outer, right outer, left anti, right anti, full outer, and the inner one. Let's explore this in the Power BI. So I just selected the both option, customer ID from here and there. And after that, you can see that there are same type of this one, left outer, which mean all from first matching from second, which mean that all from the first, including the matching one. That's called a left outer join. Now, after that, there is an option use fuzzy matching to perform the merge. That is a very important concept in Power BI. What's the meaning? Look at here. Fuzzy matching allow Power BI to match raw even if the value are not exactly the same but are similar. For example, when you are applying the matching properties between two tables, so it will finding the exact same value. But if you mark the fuzzy allowing matching option, it will, if the value are similar, okay, not exactly the same, it will also the part. So it is useful when data are misspelling, okay, extra space, different format, or slightly different text, like John Smith written in the form of the Jon Smith, or ABC limited is right, ABC limited complete word. So if there is a complexity are there in your data set, so you can just check the fuzzy matching to conclude the best matching result after applying this option. Okay, so if it's all about your understanding of your data. Okay, after that, the last one, the selection match 5 raw of 5, which means that based on this data, 5 number of the values are matching. Okay, if I just click OK, okay, look at that. Huh? So the first option, left outer, I just click on it. Look at this, the result is matched here, and after that, one of the table column is added with the order. What does it mean? The customer is the left part and the order is the right part. So which means that if I just click on this table, it will make a relation with C001. Okay, how many times C001 is going to repeat in the order table. Okay, when I just click it, it will show me the result. Okay, it will show me the complete result. Look at this, order, custom. It will matching the all values, and the other part is also there, which means that complete result including the matching one is also the result. You can easily compare with the original table. Huh? If you just compare this one from the original table, so you can easily understand this thing, right? There's a first result. I just make it cancel this one, make it cancel this one as well. Customer ID remain. If I just click merge queries again, this one is the next option, right outer. Okay, all from the second, matching from the first, which means that second table will the result all including the matching one. Huh? Use fuzzy, yep. And after that, oh sorry, the order one, the customer ID here, customer ID here, right outer, click OK. Look at this, the right outer, when you click any option, it will show the complete result from the left to right join. Okay, it's all about the understanding of the data. How many complex data do you have, so you can observe the difference on it. Okay, if I just took a very simple basic data to make you understand the concept. Similarly, bucket, if I just click on the customer again, first option, order, customer ID there and here, and there is a third one, full outer join. Either is a matching, not matching, all will be the result. So I'm just make it, click OK, all the result will be there. There is no difference on it. I just click on the C004, complete table result is there, order ID, customer ID there, and the complete table of the result as well. Similarly, back to the option, this is the inner, not matching rows, only matching rows. Okay, inner join, so I'm only the matching one. This is a smart thing, by the way. So how many options are matching here? You can see that 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 1 matching, which means that 4 and 5 are not matching. Remember, I just click on it. You can see that 4 and 5 is not here. Why? Because it's not matching it with one. Okay, I'm not talking about this one. I'm talking about this thing. So it will matching result only there. I just back it. Similarly, I just click on the order ID. There is a left empty. Okay, click on this one option, select, and same for the right one. There is no left anti-matching. That's why table is and blank. Why? You can see that only the left part and the right part no. So I'm just click it again, cancel, and the last option is also there. So the customer ID from the order. Okay, and the last option is right anti. I just click OK. Same option result are there because the table is empty, because not left anti are enabled on this data set. So hope you understand the concept of the joins, which mean the merge queries. Remember that this is the first option and that is the second one is same. But every time when you click on the second option to create, it will make a duplicate result. In the original table, it will not disturb. Okay. By the way, all the same things are there in the second option. So that's all about the merge queries using a dummy data set to understand the concept, how the merge queries work and how many types of the joins are there we discuss. If there is any complexity and any troubles are there, feel free to write a comment. I will try my level best to reply you on this. If you didn't subscribe the channel, do subscribe to motivate me to do such kind of the things for you all the time. Okay. See you on the next session to discuss about the other tabs option according to the Power Query editor.